In this video, we are going to analyze how you can make your online retail business stand out from other competitors using BigCommerce. So stay tuned while we get into the video. If you run an online retail business, you are aware of the significance of distinguishing your website from the competition. It can be difficult to stand out from the crowd when there are so many stores available. You need a service with a great pricing structure, beautiful templates and designs, and full functionality that is also simple to use. Having all of these features will make it much simpler for you to build a reliable online store that attracts return customers. The paid e-commerce platform, BigCommerce, makes it simple for business owners to set up online stores and sell their products. Additionally, the platform is advantageous for direct-to-consumer businesses because these stores are customer-facing. This e-commerce platform is a software-as-a-service platform, which means you don't own the software. Instead, you just pay a subscription fee each month to use it. By distinguishing itself from other e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Etsy, the platform has been able to gain a significant share of the market. Let's see how BigCommerce can differentiate your site from the competition. 1. Organized, clean and easy-to-use site. It has an intuitive user interface that makes managing your store and helping customers navigate it simple. By simply sorting BigCommerce's design themes and templates by industry, you can easily match your business's design concepts to the platform's available options. Additionally, BigCommerce's themes are mobile-friendly, and you can modify them at any time. You have access to a wide selection of paid and free templates and themes to choose from. BigCommerce's themes get a big thumbs up when it comes to them. Between $150 and $235, it offers a selection of 12 free and 100 paid themes. 2. Products and file storage capacity are unlimited. With BigCommerce, your e-commerce store can manage an unlimited number of inquiries, storage, and catalog items. Because it is a standard platform for a beginner's store, you won't need to upgrade to get more products or faster loading times, which is also true. The only restriction is the amount that can be sold: $50,000 for the standard plan, $180,000 for the Plus plan, and $400,000 for the Ultra plan. 3. There will be less downtime on your site. Like many other cloud-based platforms, BigCommerce stores have a 99% uptime rate. As a result, sales and customer trust suffer. Even during a holiday rush or a flash sale, you can open. BigCommerce uses Amazon Web Services, AWS, as one of its off-site hosting providers. In addition, cloud hosting takes care of all updates and maintenance for you. 4. Videos can be added to product pages. Videos can be added to products in BigCommerce. Videos can help customers better understand or visualize a product, just like product photos can. Customers place such a high value on videos that YouTube videos make up the majority of the top 100 listings in Google search results. Additionally, 88% of business owners claim that incorporating product videos has increased conversion rates. Recordings can be added by a basic YouTube interface, or insert them straightforwardly on the item page. To sell your products, you can use a sizzle reel or a detailed demonstration. Moving on to the 5th on the list, your site has single-page checkout. For increasing revenue, your e-commerce site's checkout section is essential. You'll lose a lot of potential customers if customers have to fill out a lengthy form, or go through several steps to get a product. A simple checkout process is essential for a high conversion rate. Customers should not be diverted because they are getting close to the end of the checkout process. BigCommerce also provides this. 6. Ratings and reviews can be added to your site. Customer ratings and reviews are simple to incorporate with BigCommerce. It can be activated with a single click on any e-commerce product page. The administration can be set up to prevent spamming, and the reviews can be accepted manually or automatically. 7. Your site is SEO ready. Managing your e-commerce business effectively, in a market that is becoming increasingly competitive, is no easy task. In order to propel your e-commerce expansion, optimizing your store in accordance with the search engine's ever-evolving algorithms becomes an essential step. Your site product is of no use without SEO, no matter how good it is. The BigCommerce platform's use of the most recent SEO techniques is its greatest strength. You have complete control over your settings to enhance the SEO strategy thanks to its built-in SEO features. The platform offers a variety of SEO-friendly features, such as auto-optimized titles and URLs, as well as the ability to manually add keyword-rich content to the SEO field. Before we proceed, if you're getting values from this video, kindly click on the like button, and make sure to share this video to those it will be of great value to. To check out this product, kindly use the link in the description below to enjoy any available discount. Kindly note that we can earn commission if you purchase, to support the channel. Welcome back and thanks for staying tuned. Number 8 on the list is full adaptation to mobile devices. Smartphones are used by roughly half of online shoppers to make purchases. Half of your potential customers will leave your online business if it doesn't work well on smartphones. BigCommerce was the principal internet business stage to coordinate Google's AMP into an internet business. The integration of BigCommerce with AMP simplifies product and category pages, reducing page load times and improving user experience and SEO. The AMP eliminates all of the factors that have an impact on the shopping experience, and enables the user to immediately access the product details, locate the necessary information, and make a purchase without the usual issues that come with mobile shopping. Additionally, BigCommerce optimizes the shopping cart for mobile devices with specialized templates designed specifically for them. 9. Globalize your business with the multi-currency feature. Users are able to make purchases of your products using their native currencies, thanks to this function. As a result, it makes shopping for them easier and builds a trusting relationship with them, which results in more sales for you. Aside from that, BigCommerce's payment API makes it easier for them to collaborate with well-known global payment processors. As a result, both you the merchant and the customers stand to benefit. And on number 10 is syndication of content. By utilizing content RSS and purchase feeds, BigCommerce enables you to boost site traffic. To increase website traffic, this platform easily connects to shopping feeds like Shopzilla. Additionally, it is linked to Google's product search engine, allowing you to not only differentiate your website from the competition but also increase traffic directly through that channel. The final point on the list is customer service. It is essential to have the assurance that your e-commerce will continue to function properly, in the event of a problem once it is operational. BigCommerce provides support for your store round the clock, so you won't have to worry about any issues that might prevent your website from working properly, and cost you money. Therefore, BigCommerce is prepared to handle any situation in which your customers encounter a problem and need to get in touch with you. Because customers aren't left hanging and frustrated as a result, this helps your business stand out even more. In conclusion, in today's competitive e-commerce market, you need to use the best tools to gain an advantage. The ideal scenario is to keep a customer on your e-commerce website, and turn their lead into a sale. BigCommerce stands out from other e-commerce platforms because it prioritizes customer service and is dedicated to giving businesses the tools they need to expand. Businesses are taking user experience and engagement to new heights with the help of product customizers. Through its method for 3D setup, AR and visual customization, BigCommerce empowers your business site by getting the notice of customers and transforming browsers into purchasers. BigCommerce differentiates your business by offering a wide range of marketing and sales tools and features, as well as the ability to connect to a wide range of third-party systems. This is all we've got for you today. What do you think of the strategy we stated in this video? Do you have another strategy to add? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you turn on your notification if you have not done so, so you will be notified when next we post a new video.